The most fatal airplane incidents in history revealed. 5. The tragic 1996 crash of the Charkhi-Dadri mid-air collision led to 349 fatalities. 4. In 1977, the Tenerife Airport disaster claimed 583 lives, marking aviation's deadliest accident. 3. The 1985 Japan Airlines Flight 123 incident resulted in 520 deaths, a devastating loss for many families. 2. The 2001 and 9/11 attacks involved 4 hijacked planes, leading to 2,977 lives lost in total. 1. The 1974 crash of Turkish Airlines Flight 981 killed 346 people, making it one of the deadliest. Subscribe our channel FWHS for more interesting videos.